It's nice to meet you. Or see you again.
Well, yeah, I met you already.
It's good to see you again. Thank you so much for coming.
Look at these.
Wow. Wow, this is way exceeds expectations.
I'm gonna be honest with you. It actually came out better than we thought it did because they went to our.
The floors look like shit.
Yes, they did. Yeah.
Wow.
Come on, look at me, man. So I just got through UV curing.
And what's your name? Nice to meet you.
Yep. Let's take a peek in here. Remember those areas where it's really worn out?
Oh my God, it looks like they got sanded and refinished. It looks so good.
Remember where it was really worn down up in here?
Yeah. Oh my God. I'm stunned at how nice they look. Brand new.
Thank you. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is June the 23rd. We are out here in Decatur. We've been getting a lot of leads in Decatur. I have 2 consultations once we get the coding down here in Decatur in the same zip code. So we're like in the downtown part of Decatur. Actually, I'm from Decatur. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is about 1,400 square feet wood floor screen and recoat. Clients moved from Florida. They bought this nice home and they have been going through a lot of renovation. So they called me about 2 weeks ago, paid for an in-home consultation. I came out here, they booked on the spot, and then my network partner Raphael and his team are going to come in tomorrow, and they're going to be here for about 3-4 days because they're going to be doing some sanding and some lacing for the upstairs. But me and Tavares is doing the main floor. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in, again, Decatur, Georgia. Just came from Loganville. One of my clients, next Tuesday, going to be doing some in-cap carpet cleaning for his he just bought an Italian restaurant in Loganville. So we're going to be doing some in-cap carpet cleaning for him early in the morning before we, go to another job. So anyway, guys, they did not want to change the color of these floors, but what they decided to do was a screen and recoat. And as you can see, guys, these floors are definitely in need. Have a lot of scratches, scuff marks. All right. On here, they've been having a lot of construction going on. I want to get some more lighting here. So we got all of this. Oh, and also we're going to be doing the countertops. They have the granite countertops. We're also going to be doing their granite countertops. See all that residue on it, guys? Has a lot of residue on it. You can really barely see the reflection from the lights. So we're going to be doing all through here. All right, we also got this potty room here, coming through here, all through here. I think we got a few pantries. Yep. All through here. So we got the screen and recoat, which is $250 a square foot, and then the UV cure, which is another $2 a square foot. All through here, a lot of scratches. So yeah, guys, we definitely want to make this floor look a whole lot better, man. Oh yeah. All right, guys, wood floors, countertops. Let's get this party started. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Floors came out amazing. UV curing. Went to go do another consultation. Guys, that's why I tell you, you gotta be careful. She had another guy come in. It's like 700 something square feet plus 11 stairs. Gonna have one of my sanding crews out there Monday. She said, Courtney, I need it done as soon as possible. She basically told me she just paid the guy to leave. But guys, I can't believe that somebody even did this type of work. That's why I say, man, if you're not good at something, do not do it, because you will harm your reputation more than you will make it better. So you gotta, and also to the consumers, I always tell people, man, don't always just go based off price. Do research, ask questions, look at reviews, see if they got video. That's one thing about Truman. I got all of that, plus more. Video testimonials. I have hundreds of clients that say, Courtney, if you need a good recommendation, you give them my number. Guys, you just cannot always go based off price, because one thing that a guy told me long time ago, usually when you go cheap, there's a high chance you're going to end up paying twice. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this floor UV cured. My client said she'll be here in about 30 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, guys, my client is coming in to look at her floors. Oh, wow. Come on in.
Oh my God. This looks so, it's nice to meet you. Or see you again.
Well, yeah, I met you already.
It's good to see you again. Thank you so much for coming.
Look at these.
Wow. Wow, this is way exceeds expectations.
I'm going to be honest with you. It actually came out better than we thought it did. Because they went to my...
The floors look like shit.
Yes, they did. Yeah.
Wow.
Come on, look at me, man. So I just got through UV curing.
And what's your name? Nice to meet you.
Yep. Let's take a peek in here. Remember those areas where it's really worn out?
Oh my God, it looks like they got sanded and refinished. It looks so good.
Remember where it's really worn down up in here?
Yeah. Oh my God. I'm like stunned at how nice they look. Brand new.
Thank you.
Wow, these are so nice. I'm so happy.
Thank you. That's my job, is to make you happy.
Yeah, I'm so pleased. Oh my gosh.
So Raphael then will be here tomorrow to start the upstairs.
Yeah, we were just texting.
Yep. Awesome. Look at this. This is the worst room.
Yeah, this was terrible. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, this is like really, there's, and this I was expecting.
Yep.
But like, yeah, this is a huge difference.
Huge difference. And then
All of this looks so beat up. I mean, like much worse than this.
yes. And the kitchen. And we got your look. Go look at and feel your countertops.
Oh, this looks huge. This looks awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm like infinitely more excited to move in now.
Wow. That's what I want to hear.
You should really, my aunt's gonna call you.
Okay.
But for real though, like her beach house is sweet. It's like a very chill place. She will 100% have you come over for a
Yeah, we'll drive down to Florida to take care of it for her.
Yeah.
Yep.
She would love to have you guys. And she like has a special adoration for the floors.
For floors?
In the house.
Well, thank you. Thank you for the referral.
And she's like, I called the last guy who finished it 20 years ago, and he died.
Oh, wow.
Oh my, these look so good.
Thank you.
The only area that I could tell that anything happened was
Yep.
at the edge. I think the previous owners had dogs, so
Yeah.
I imagine they were like scratching up around the edges. But these look so, this is like vastly exceeded expectations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I'm so pleased. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, guys, that's going to do it. I'm going to wrap up with my client. And Tavares, turn the light. I want to show them right quick. Yeah. So we got the countertops done. Client's very happy with the countertops. Did this right here, all through here. All righty. So these are granite, nice and smooth. Got them sealed really good. See how smooth they feel?
Yeah, it's super nice.
Yep. Also, we did this back here too. Yep, we did this one right here. Yep. Alrighty, and we got the wood floors. She's very, very, very happy with the wood floors. Like I say, guys, you know, again, that's one thing about wood. You have to realize wood is a natural source, and there'll be times, guys, where it will actually come out better than what we thought. And like, you know, sometimes I'm like, man, it looks like we sanded the floor. So a lot of things play a huge factor. But yeah, guys, these floors came out amazing. You've seen them before, and now you see them after. Thanks again for watching. We got a screen to recoat tomorrow in Houston, and Christian and them are going there in the morning to move the furniture, and we're going to be doing a screen to recoat with UV Cure. All right, guys, see you in the next one.